Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Paul Sample. In today's video, I'm going to give you the top 2 winning products that you can start selling now on your Shopify Dropshipping store or e-commerce website in general. If you want to learn more about this, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video.
Product that you can sell on your Shopify Dropshipping store or e-commerce website in general is called unisex cotton masks. This one is highly rated by the buyers, as I'm going to show you very soon in this video. So this product has got so many sales in its past few months. So also, if you decide to sell this product, you are going to sell a lot of them, and you are going to get so many customers because this product has already proved that the customers needs or are in need of this product. As I can show you here, the product cost only 1.3 US dollars, so it is very cheap. The customers are going to afford to buy this product. So what you need is just your advertising and marketing skills. And also this product the seller offers free shipping. Also the seller ships worldwide, so you can drop ship this product all over the world, and unisex can use this product. So this product is unisex. So the best way to know who are more interested with this product is to set 2 different Facebook ads. First, you should target women, and the second, you should target men. And after testing, you will know which part gets more sales. So it's better to target both, then you choose the winner. So this product, as you can see, has got more than 4,000, so almost 5,000 orders in the past few months. So if you will sell this product, you are going to get a lot of sales. So this is a winning product because the number of orders says it all. The number of orders that this product has got in the past few months says it all. So what you need is just marketing skills. You are going to get so many sales, and the rating of this product is very high. This product has been rated 4.8 out of 5. So what does it mean? This means that most of the customers that have bought this product are satisfied with the quality of this product. So if you want to sell also on your store, you don't have to worry about this quality because the buyers have already proven that this product is good and are satisfied with this product. So if you have been looking for a winning product, this also is a winning product. Also, it's made with pure cotton, so it's a good product to sell also on your Shopify or dropshipping store or website in general. Product that you can sell on your Shopify dropshipping store or e-commerce website in general is called Deep V Less Blur. You may be asking yourself, will the buyers be interested to buy these products that are found also in their neighborhoods? Let me tell you, customers needs new experience, needs new and unique or improved products. Even if they are found in their neighborhoods, let me tell you, buying online is a new experience to most of the customers, and we can verify with the number of orders that this product has got in the past few months. So people are interested to buy also online because buying online also is a new experience. People don't want to wear the same type of product for such a long period of time. They want unique and different things. So don't worry. Just what you need here is just to set ads, and when we are near to the holidays, this also can be a perfect gift to people. So if you will market well this product, you are going to get so many sales. And the rating of this product is 4.8 out of 5, so the rating is very good. The number of buyers is more than 9,000, so many buyers have bought this product. So this tells us that most of the buyers are interested and are satisfied with the quality of this product. So if you will sell this product on your Shopify dropshipping store or e-commerce website in general, you are going to generate a lot of sales. As we have seen here, more than 9,000 of orders or sales or customers that have bought in the past few months. So what you need is just to set good ads. So you can use Instagram, you can use Facebook ads. So you are going to generate a lot of sales. So what you need is just marketing skills. And the best way also to set 2 different ads. However, most of the buyers here will be women, but it's also important if you set another ad that will target men, because in these holiday seasons, even men do buy this kind of products as a gift to their people that they care. So you can target either women or men, because we are nearly to the holiday